Sa Mobile Bible School, tayo'y nagtitipon online. Sa tahanan man o saan ka man.
Sixth biblical reason is punishment for the wicked. God's penalty for the proud. Jesus, the Prince of Peace, established justice as the foundation of lasting peace. Sa Isaiah again, Prophet Isaiah sabi sa chapter 10 verse 1, "Woe to those who decree iniquitous decree and the writers who keep writing oppression." So, a good example na binigay ni Dr. Roderick is itong situation sa Africa. There's a chief inspector refused to be bribed to stand the truth and integrity. So, yun yung police, yung chief of inspector, yung head ng police, sinusuhulan siya, and yet ayaw niya. Ang pangalan nito ay si Oswald Sulungwe ng Zambia Police Service and was over 12,500 na pera nila to cover up the child assault case and refuse. At dahil sa kanyang faithfulness sa Panginoon, his action lead to suspect arrest and earn him the 2024 Anti-Corruption Commission Directors General Integrity. So it's hard to stand for the truth, but at some point of time when you make a stand, God will reward you, just like this chief inspector.
Sa Mobile Bible School, tayo'y nagtitipon online. Sa tahanan man o saan ka man, naroroong tunay kaalamang makalangit at biblikal na aral ay makulay. Sa biyaya ng Diyos tayo'y lumalago sa buhay, karunungan at lalim sa pananampalataya. Sa Mobile Bible School, ito'y abot kamay na. Sa bawat aralin, tayo'y natututo sa teolohiya at biyaya. Sabay-sabay ay lumalago tayo.